Welcome to QuantumMind AI, your gateway to the exciting world of artificial intelligence. And today, we're kicking off a video designed especially for beginners. In this episode, we'll unravel the mystery behind common AI terms. By the end of this video, you'll speak AI like a pro. Let's start with the fundamental term, AI or artificial intelligence. AI refers to the ability of machines to mimic human intelligence, learning from data, and making decisions. Next up, we have machine learning. It's a subset of AI where machines use algorithms to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Now, let's dive into deep learning. This involves complex neural networks, inspired by the human brain, allowing AI to handle more intricate tasks. In AI, we often encounter supervised and unsupervised learning. Supervised learning involves labeled data, while unsupervised learning discovers patterns from unlabeled data. You may have heard of neural networks. These are the building blocks of deep learning, consisting of layers of interconnected nodes that process information. And that's a wrap for today's episode of QuantumMind AI. We've covered some essential AI terminology that will set you on the right path in understanding AI. Stay tuned for more episodes in this series, where we'll continue to decode the world of AI. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to help others join the AI journey. If you have questions or specific terms you'd like us to explain, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for joining us, and remember, AI doesn't have to be intimidating. We're here to make it accessible to everyone. See you in the next episode.